Hi everyone. You can take here tan theta. Tan theta is equals to, we already know that, sin theta by cos theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, and reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. So second half side you can observe that all are starting with C. So rest of this reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. See how can we generate some trigonometric formulae from these super hexagon. For example, we already discussed about tan theta is equals to sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta. Same, sin theta is equals to cos theta by cot theta. Cos theta is equals to cot theta by cosec theta, and cot theta is equals to cosec theta by sec theta. Next, cosec theta is equals to sec theta by tan theta, and sec theta is equals to tan theta by sin theta. See, like tan theta is equals to sin by cos, sin theta is equals to cos by cot, and cos theta is equals to cot by cosec, cot theta is equals to cosec by sec, and cosec theta is equals to sec by tan, and sec theta is equals to tan by sin. Like this type we can generate some trigonometric formula. If we go from anti-clockwise direction, for example, tan theta is equals to, like this, sec theta by cosec theta, and sec theta is equals to cosec theta by cot theta. Cosec theta is equals to cot theta by cos theta. Now cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. Now cos theta is equals to sin theta by tan theta, and sin theta is equals to tan by sec. Sin theta is equals to tan theta by sec theta. See how easily defining the trigonometric formula. We will discuss about complementary angles. What is mean by complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles is said to be a complementary angles. For example, we are discussing in the right angle triangle. If angle B is equals to 90 degrees, if we are taking angle C is equals to theta, then how much angle A value? Obviously 90 minus theta. Why? Because sum of the three angles in a triangle is, we already know that, 180 degrees. That is why angle B is equals to 90 degrees. If angle theta, angle C is equals to angle theta, then angle A is equals to 90 minus theta. So now we can say that angle A and angle C are the complementary angles. So same, by the use of this hexagon we can generate some complementary angles like this. Sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is equals to Yes, cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta. So, these are the complementary angles of trigonometric ratio. See how can we generate trigonometric identities from this hexagon. Yes, we already discussed. Take here tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So, all are having the first letter is C from second half of the hexagon. So, remember that this is cosec theta and last one is sec theta. Observe this. For example, I am taking this triangle and take here 1. So, you can observe this is one triangle. If you go like this in the clockwise rotation, so you can write here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is called first trigonometric identity. Now take second triangle. This is the second triangle. Same like this way you can go clockwise rotation, right? 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Similarly, take this triangle and again go like this. So, tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. This is the third trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 is the first identity, and 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta, second identity, and tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. So, this is the one way, and you can see like this. If you go anti-clockwise, you have to take minus 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta. And if we go anti-clockwise rotation, then cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1, right? And the third one is, if we go anti-clockwise rotation, sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. See how easy to remember these trigonometric identities by the help of hexagon. See how easy to remember these trigonometric formulae or trigonometric identities and reciprocal by the help of this hexagon. Most of the people feel that and tell that trigonometry is a difficult subject. To prepare for the annual examination, the best strategy is to leave these trigonometry topics. Most of the students will feel. So, that is why I have given this easy way to remember trigonometric formulae. So, after completion of this class, I hope you feel trigonometry is a easy subject. If you feel that, please watch and like my YouTube channel and subscribe and share to others. Thank you.